equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips head screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a clean, flat workspace. First, power down your Dell XPS and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical damage during this process. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel. You may need to use a plastic spudger to avoid damaging the casing. With the back panel off, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the RAM slots, which are typically situated near the center of the device. If you're unsure, refer to your user manual for guidance. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris from the interior using compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Now, if you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. If you're comfortable continuing, gently release the clips on either side of the existing RAM module. The RAM should pop up at an angle, allowing you to remove it easily. Take your new RAM module and align it with the slot. Ensure the notch on the RAM matches the key in the slot. Insert the RAM at a 30-degree angle and press down firmly until the clips click into place, securing the module. If you're upgrading to multiple RAM sticks, repeat this process for each one. Once all RAM modules are installed, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the device, ensuring it fits snugly. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely but not overly so, to avoid damaging the threads. Before powering on your laptop, it's wise to double-check that everything is in place. If you're unsure about any step, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your upgrade is done right. Now, reconnect your laptop to the power source and turn it on. As it boots up, enter the BIOS by pressing the appropriate key, usually F2 or Dell, during startup. Check that the new RAM is recognized. If it is, congratulations! You've successfully upgraded your Dell XPS RAM. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to make this process as easy as possible for you. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.